The Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner provides a full-time deep clean to the entire fuel system and combustion chamber, restoring performance while reducing emissions. Lucas Deep Clean can be used in a variety of applications, from the car you drive to work, to motorcycles, to high-performance racing vehicles and classic cars. It's blended with an exclusive Lucas additive package and a specific carrier fluid that contains no diesel fuel, kerosene, or anything else that can prove harmful or useless to an engine. When used full-time, Deep Clean eliminates the need for higher octane fuel while removing carbon deposits that can lower fuel economy, power, and cause hard starts. That means you can say goodbye to knocking and pinging. It also greatly reduces harmful NOx emissions while raising MPG and restores performance. For a deep clean, just pour the entire bottle into the fuel tank and fill it up the rest of the way with up to 30 gallons of any grade gasoline. How often you use deep clean depends on how much you need it, but it's recommended that you add a bottle every 3,000 to 4,000 miles if you want to see consistent, long-lasting results. Whether you collect classic cars, like to hit the track on your motorcycle, or just want to make the most out of your everyday vehicle, Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner is the perfect solution to bring your sluggish engine back to life. Like every Lucas Oil product, everything you need to know is on the label. For more information, visit us online at lucasoil.com or give us a call at 800-342-2512. Premium additives for innovative solutions. That's the Lucas Oil product specialty.